If you want to use voice typing on a Motorola Signature, first of all, we need to open Settings, scroll down in here in order to find System, then in here we should be able to find Keyboard, and then we can go ahead and choose On-Screen Keyboard. Now in here, open Gboard, because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone, and then in here we can find voice typing. We need to make sure that voice typing is enabled, and of course you can also toggle faster voice typing if you wish to do so. So once you are sure that voice typing is enabled, you should be able to find it by, of course, opening the keyboard, and then here on the right side of the keyboard we should be able to find this microphone. If you tap on it, if you do so for the first time, you also have to grant the permission for the keyboard to record audio, so we can choose while using the app, and now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. And in some cases you have to tap on the microphone. Actually, in most cases you have to tap on the microphone in order to make the keyboard stop listening, so it won't convert your speech into the text anymore. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.